Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the fascinating and often controversial world of tax secrets. How do the rich manage to jet off in private planes and still save massive amounts on taxes? Stick around, because we're about to expose their secrets. Now, we all know that the wealthy have access to certain privileges. But did you know that they also have ways to significantly reduce their tax burden? Yes, even when they're flying in luxury. Today, we're going to break down the top strategies they use. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about depreciation. The US tax code includes something called bonus depreciation. When the wealthy purchase a private jet, they can take advantage of this provision to write off a significant portion of the jet's cost in the first year. Here's how it works. Bonus depreciation allows business owners to deduct 100% of the cost of eligible property, including private jets, in the year they place it into service. So if a business buys a $10 million jet, they can potentially deduct $10 million from their taxable income, immediately reducing their tax bill by millions of dollars. This is a huge incentive for high net worth individuals to invest in private jets, and it's entirely legal under the current tax code. Next, let's explore how the rich use their private jets for business purposes. When a jet is used for business travel, many of the associated costs can be written off as business expenses. This includes fuel, maintenance, hangar fees, and even pilot salaries. For example, if a CEO uses their jet to travel for a business meeting, they can deduct the travel expenses as a business cost. This not only reduces their taxable income, but also shifts personal luxury expenses into the business category. This strategy not only makes the cost of owning a private jet more manageable, but also provides significant tax savings. Some wealthy individuals don't buy jets outright, they lease them. Leasing can offer flexibility and still provide tax benefits. By structuring lease payments correctly, they can often deduct these payments as business expenses. When leasing a jet, the lease payments are typically considered operational expenses. This means they can be deducted from the company's taxable income. Additionally, leasing avoids the large initial capital outlay required to purchase a jet, which can be beneficial for cash flow management. Leasing provides a way to enjoy the benefits of private jet travel without the heavy financial commitment of ownership, while still reaping tax benefits. Then there's the strategy of using trusts and complex ownership structures. By placing a jet in a trust or creating a separate entity to own the jet, the wealthy can further optimize their tax situation. This helps in shielding assets and taking advantage of various tax jurisdictions. For instance, an individual might create a limited liability company, or LLC, to own the jet. This LLC can then lease the jet to the individual's business, creating an additional layer of expense that can be deducted. Moreover, placing the jet in a trust can provide legal protection and additional tax planning opportunities, especially if the trust is set up in a tax-friendly jurisdiction. This complex structuring allows for significant tax advantages and asset protection, making it a popular strategy among the wealthy. Another tactic involves international tax havens. Wealthy individuals and corporations often register their jets in countries with favorable tax laws, reducing their overall tax burden. By registering a jet in a tax haven, owners can take advantage of lower registration fees, reduced VAT, and other tax benefits. These jurisdictions often have agreements that make it easier to avoid high taxes and strict regulations found in the owner's home country. This international maneuvering is yet another way the rich optimize their tax savings on luxury assets like private jets. Now you might be wondering, is this legal? Yes, it is. But it raises questions about fairness and ethics. These strategies highlight the disparities in the tax system and fuel the debate over tax reform. While these practices are legal, they highlight the need for a more equitable tax system. The wealthy have the resources to exploit these loopholes, while average taxpayers do not. This disparity can lead to calls for reform and a more progressive tax code. It's a complex issue, and one that's not easily solved. But understanding these strategies is the first step toward a more informed discussion about tax fairness. So there you have it. The secrets of how the rich jet off with private planes and still manage to save big on taxes. What do you think about these strategies? Should there be changes to the tax code? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.